Formation of differential equation. Formation of differential equation. Obtain the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants from the equation. Example, C1 plus y equal to C1 plus C2x into e raised to x. Q1 function is given function is y equal to c1 plus c2 x into e raised to x. We rearrange the terms, we get y upon e raised to x equal to c1 plus c2 x. In this function, there are two arbitrary constants c1 and c2. Therefore, the order of this differential equation will be 2. We first eliminate these two c1 and c2 from this equation by taking the differentiation. This is equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. E raised to minus x into y equal to c1 plus c2x is the relation. Differentiate e raised to minus x into dy by dx plus y into e raised to minus x into minus 1 is equal to d by dx of c1 plus c2x. E raised to minus x into dy by dx plus minus y into e raised to minus x equal to 0 plus c2 into 1. E raised to minus x into dy by dx minus y equal to c2. This is equation number 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. E raised to minus x into dy by dx of dy by dx minus y equal to plus dy by dx minus y into d by dx of e raised to minus x equal to 0. The equation of constant c2 is equal to 0. Therefore, this equation becomes minus e raised to minus x into d2y by dx square minus dy by dx plus dy by dx minus y into e raised to minus x into minus 1 equal to 0. This is equal to e raised to minus x d2y by dx square minus dy by dx minus dy by dx minus y e raised to minus x equal to 0. In this equation, we take e raised to minus x common. This becomes d2y by dx square minus dy by dx minus dy by dx plus y into e raised to minus x equal to 0. Sorry, e raised to minus x into d2 y by dx square minus dy by dx minus dy by dx plus y equal to 0. d2y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus y equal to 0 is the required differential equation, is the required differential equation, is the required differential equation. When we are given the functions of such types, we first of all take the derivative of 2 times and then eliminate the arbitrary constants and write the differential equation. This is the required differential equation of the given function. Example 2, form the differential equation. Form the differential equation of the family of circles touching the x-axis at the origin. Since the circle touches x-axis at origin, since the circle touches the x-axis, at origin. Therefore, the center of the circle lies on the y-axis. Therefore, the center of the circle lies on the y-axis. Let 0k be the center of the circle. Then Then equation of circle of this family is x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus k brackets k square equal to k square. This is the equation of the family of circles which touches the x-axis at origin. At that time, the center of circle lies on the y-axis and y coordinate is equal to the radius, and we can write this equation as x minus 0 bracket square plus into bracket y minus k bracket square equal to k square. After that, x square plus y minus k bracket square equal to k square. Solve this. X square plus y square minus 2ky equal plus k square equal to k square. K square is the same term with same sign on both sides. Therefore, k square gets cancelled. Remains only x square plus y square equal to plus 2ky. After this, x square plus y square upon y equal to 2k. This is equation number 1. By solving this, we eliminate here k is any arbitrary constant. X square plus y square upon y equal to 2k. Differentiate with respect to x. This becomes y into 2x minus x square into dy by dx upon y square plus dy by dx equal to 0. 2xy minus x square dy by dx plus y square into dy by dx equal to 0. We take the quotient rule. Y into derivative of x square is 2x minus first function numerator as it is, derivative of the denominator upon y square, derivative is dy by dx equal to 0. Two xy minus x square plus y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. Taking dy by dx common, minus x square plus y square into dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy. Minus 2xy dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy upon minus x square minus y square minus minus plus dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy minus x square dy by dx plus y square dy by dx. Minus common, we take minus common, this becomes x square minus y square dy by dx. From this x square plus into dy by dx plus y square dy by dx equal to 0. 2xy, taking minus common, x square minus y square sorry, this is equal to y square minus x square dy by dx equal to minus 2xy minus 2xy and dy by dx equal to minus 2xy upon this function 2xy minus x square dy by dx plus y square dy by dx, y square minus x square dy by dx minus 2xy after this x square y square minus x square, this equation becomes y square minus x square dy by dx equal to minus 2xy upon y square minus x square is the required differential equation. Solution of differential equations by variable separable method. In this method, mdx plus ndy equal to 0. It means the coefficients of dx are function of x and coefficients of dy are functions of y. In that form, we write this as m is equal to f of x and n equal to f of y. This format becomes f of x dx plus f of y dy equal to 0. By using this method, we solve the differential equations which are variable separable. Means the functions of x are coefficient of dx and functions of y are coefficients of dy. Example, cos x into cos y dy minus sin x sin y into dx equal to 0. Solution, we have cos x cos y dy minus sin x sin y dx equal to 0. We separate these equations by dx and dy. Minus sin x sin y dx is equal to minus cos x cos y dy. Minus sin x upon cos x dx is equal to minus cos y upon sin y dy. This equation becomes tan x dx equal to cot y dy. We separate the coefficients, that is, this is the function of x only. Tan x into dx is the function of x and cot y into dy is the function of y. We separate these two coefficients of x and y with the coefficient of differential of x and differential of y. Taking integration on both sides. Integration on both sides. Integration of tan x dx equal to integration of cot y dy. Cot y dy. Integration of tan x is log of sec x equal to integration of cot y is log of sin x plus log of c. This is log of sec x minus log of sin x equal to log of c. This is log of sec x upon sin x equal to log of c. Then equation becomes sec x upon sin x equal to c, that is 1 upon cos x into sin x equal to c. Log of sec x plus log of sin y. This is 1 upon sin x equal to c upon sec x, that is sin x equal to sec x upon c. This is sin x upon sec x equal to 1 upon c, and this becomes sin x into cos x equal to c, that is c1. C 1 upon c1 equal to c. This is the required differential equation. This is the equation on variable separable method, and after that we solve another problem on variable separable. For the differential equation, for the differential equation, find the particular solution. Find the particular solution satisfy the given condition. Satisfy the given condition. This is dy by dx equal to e raised to 2y into cos x. E raised to 2y into cos x. This is y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 6. X equal to pi by 6. Solution. We have dy by dx equal to e raised to 2y into cos x. This differential equation is called particular differential equation. Solution of particular differential equation. In this equation, dy upon e raised to 2y is equal to cos x into dx. To solve this differential equation, we rearrange the terms with coefficients of x with dx and coefficients of y with differential dy. Cos x dx equal to e raised to minus 2y dy. Integrating both sides, we get integration of cos x dx equal to integration of e raised to minus 2y into dy. Integration of cos x is sin x equal to e raised to minus 2y into upon minus 2 plus is the integration of this term. After that, minus 2 into sin x equal to e raised minus e raised to y minus e raised to 2y equal to c minus e raised to 2y equal to two sin x plus e raised to 2y equal to 2c. Put y equal to 0, and x equal to pi by 6 in equation 1. This 2 into sin pi by 6 plus e raised to minus 2 into 0 equal to 2c. This is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus e raised to 0 equal to 2c. One plus 1 equal to 2c. One plus 1 equal to c. This is take c1. Since 2c1 equal to c, this is c equal to 2. Differential equation, the particular solution is 2 sin x plus e raised to minus 2y equal to 2. Is the required particular solution of the given differential equation e raised to 2y cos x.